What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JR Go, and it is like 4 p.m. We are here at Best Buy because we left for TX2K this morning. Got the car, got everything loaded up. The truck had some issues, and we were trying to head out. We're trying to fly out of Wichita, and the truck wouldn't start. And what happened is the cable for the edge tuner broke, and of course OBD2 supplies power to the edge tuner. Let's see, I think it's unlocked. I'll show you guys right here. Oh, there's the cable right there. You can see the cable came off and the connector pins started touching each other. Well, when that happened, the truck wouldn't start anymore. It was throwing up an ignition error and an OBD2 error and a four-wheel drive error. Everything was messed up. So we got that fixed by unplugging the OBD2 cable, and truck started right up. We got down here. We're in Frisco, Texas now. There's only like 2 Best Buys in the entire Midwest that have my camera. So we drove way out of our way to this Best Buy to get the camera. So now we're back. That's where the story ends. We've got 4 more hours to get to Houston, and we got Zach's GT-R here. Looking good. He's got the APR wing, Strauss forged wheels, all kinds of good stuff. And we're ready to hop back in the truck. It's probably time for dinner soon, and then we can get down to Houston. It is time for some racing. Boys in Lamborghini, you ready to go?
I guess so.
We can do this thing. Segways are in here, fuel's loaded up, everyone's bags are in the trailer. I guess such a huge win. You might have seen it in yesterday's video. Also, we had to move the car because the trailer tongue weight's been all over the place today. Had to back it in, the wind's crazy, then we had to jump back there and move the car towards the back of the trailer a little bit. Should be good to go now. Zach's up here trying to race us, pulling that GT-R. He has this little baby load. We have been driving for a long time, so we are stopping at Jack in the Box. We don't have these in Kansas, so it's always awesome to be here. Love getting Jack in the Box when you're out traveling. Oh, thanks. Here you go. Yep, yep. Yeah, Facebook's down, dude. But Jack in the Box tacos were amazing. That was so good. Jack in the Box breakfast, Jack in the Box tacos. We're good to go. Let's get back on the road. Hey Thomas, check this out. Oh, gas stop, but whoa, that's wow. Good old Hennessy supercharged Suburban. All right. Also, we want to weigh the rig. So this quick trip has scales. We're gonna go try to figure out what this thing weighs. Zach, I think we're gonna pull back over here and try to figure out what our rig weighs, because they've got scales right here. Yeah, get that 15,000 pound reading. When the Hennessy Suburban is cooler than the Huracan.
Lights, bro.
Everyone's out here with their phones out. Oh. So we want to figure out the weight of the rig. We gotta back this up and then zig over to the scales here. 20,000 pounds. It's insane, dude. The truck by itself was like well over 5. The first axle was a 5. Zach's been over here trying to street race us all day long with his truck. This little truck pulling a GT-R.
Hey, but it beat you guys, did it not?
We weigh 20,000 pounds.
Oh my God.
20? Yeah, dude.
Holy
and that's
shit.
without you guys in it. That's just Brian and I.
saying we're fat?
No, I'm just saying when you get in, we're at 21,000.
pounds.
We're here in Texas. It is so foggy. Look at this. And these guys have this water stash back here. So I'm just gonna rob them while they're not looking.
Make that 2.
Oh, okay.
Make that 3.
They'll never know. Do we need more than that?
God bless.
Is that for you? All right. Let me close your tailgate. Love that hairdryer sound too. How's this trip, Lamborghini?
I'm so tired. I feel like the last time we came, it was like half as long as this.
No, it was totally half as long. The last time we came down here, we just stopped at Buc-ee's, and then maybe like 5. Oh, we did stop at like.
I slept a lot longer.
You did, and we stopped at Waffle House, had some good food, and that was it. And we came straight here. This time we've stopped like 5 times. And we've had multiple food stops and so many gas stops. And yeah, we're getting it done. We came all the way from Wichita to go to Wichita. This is less than ideal. It looked like we'd be able to have plenty of driveway and park in the garage, but we do have a tire swing. That's pretty cool. GT-R is coming in. Maybe. That's a maybe. Good thing it's got plates on it. It's literally perfect. Perfectly there. We're gonna have to deal with that. That's just where it's gonna sit. Can't even unload the Huracan. Your ramps will literally be straight. Check that out. That is absolutely crazy. Both rigs are the same length now.
Yeah.
Well, it's time for bed. It was a crazy trip. We're all super tired. 2K in the morning. It's time to do some racing. Let's get this Huracan out on the track. And that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Oh yeah, so satisfying. Oh, we gotta start at the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, get it. Yeah. I need to get my back.